Natural beauty products are formulated with fewer harsh chemicals, making them suitable for sensitive skin and reducing the risk of irritation. Most natural beauty products use sustainably sourced ingredients and eco-conscious packaging, helping to reduce your carbon footprint. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these products nourish your skin and hair for healthier results. Many natural brands are committed to being cruelty-free, ensuring no animal testing is involved in their product development. Natural beauty products often come with clearer labeling, allowing consumers to know exactly what they're applying to their bodies. Switching to natural ingredients can improve the overall health and appearance of your skin over time, promoting a radiant glow. Enjoy delightful scents and textures derived from natural sources, enhancing your beauty routine with an invigorating experience.